understand first of all.
Yeah.
If surface is more, mass is concentrated.
Right.
What exactly happened?
Yeah.
Density comes down.
Right.
If density is coming down, what is the reason?
Right.
So what is the main reason for the weight in the body? Water and bone.
Right.
These are the two things.
Okay. Yeah. Water,
So-
tissues and bone, soft tissues. Yeah. With water.
Say, surface is very less.
Yeah.
Mass is same.
Right.
Density is more.
Right.
That means water is
Right.
Water is lost.
Right.
Bone maybe
Right.
because thickness.
Yeah.
These two things
Right.
is compromising the weight.
Right.
So, but by just seeing it, we can understand is BMI.
Right. Yeah.
What it be? So,
Yeah.
just seeing what is BMI is less or
Yeah.
more.
So with our eyes, we can have a visual of the person's mass, height, and with the mass and height, which mass is also by the depth perception.
Exactly.
And with that, we can have an idea of the weight and
Weight.
BMI. BMI is weight by height meter square, so it can be easily done.
So actually,
Yeah. So
weight is also not necessary for us,
so yeah.
and height is also not necessary.
Yeah,
We are
yeah.
worried about the BMI.
Right. Right.
So
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
our tuition pattern.
Yeah.
It estimates what is the BMI.
Yeah. Although recent data is suggesting that BMI also may not be important, it is basically ultimately the mass.
Mass.
The mass of your muscle, mass of your adipose
That's
tissue.
why I'm.
Which
asking
is
for-
what,
for the
is-
beginning is mass.
Yeah. Which is what is giving me an idea that we have been doing it with using still photos. Like we always take a lateral view of the patient, looking at the arm, to estimate
why-
sarcopenia,
That's why. I
and we
used to
look
say-
at the lateral view of the abdomen. Right now, I have your lateral view actually, isn't it?
So I'm not.
And your
according
sarcopenia
to
and
your
adiposity.
definition-
Yeah.
According to your definition, I am not helping.
No, I won't say it is my definition, but basically I'm just saying sarcopenia and adiposity will contribute to diabetes, metabolic syndrome, hypertension, and all multi-organ failure chronic. So, which is kind of a threatening thing, and I can see the worry in your face. But
No, I'm
but
not
what
telling
I am
you.
excited about is why not use this just like Wadhwani Foundation is doing to utilize the baby's picture to calculate the weight. We can easily do this with our phenotypic images. Yeah, please. I want to hear the contradictions here.
Say, if really you are worried about the problem,
Yeah.
so say in mammals,
Yeah.
Homo sapiens,
Right.
the structure of the body is completely different. In Homo
Right.
sapiens is Homo erectus, Homo
Right.
sapiens, but to take the
Right.
species also, then
Right.
species are there.
Right.
So even Homo sapiens, Mongolians are there.
Right.
The side is there.
Right.
So there, some people will be, according to your definition,
Right.
they are not fitting for your definition, but
Huh.
they are maintaining the healthy issue.
Right. Like we know of these certain
Those
group
who are
of
taking
monkeys with
24
that
hours,
nose which is bigger, like hanging like Rastapopoulos, I can remember in Malaysia and Philippines, and in Borneo there are lots, but they have this obesity. From beginning only they have this obesity,
Is that
truncal
not-
obesity,
so that's why.
but they are surviving. They are surviving well. I'm
Even
forgetting the name of those monkeys. Yeah.
The thing is, there is a inter-caste marriages are not existing.
Yeah.
In India, there is inter-caste marriages are there for thousands of years. Very
Right.
recently, we are getting inter-caste marriage.
Right.
Otherwise, all are intra-caste marriage.
Right.
Or intra-family marriage.
Right. So I think you're suggesting a genetic diversity
Exactly.
here,
So,
which is
say
evolving.
my grandfather, my father, everyone
Yeah.
is having same type
Right.
of body.
Absolutely.
I am
Yeah.
also maintaining the same.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
my father,
Yeah.
my grandfather,
Yeah.
they lived more than 92 years.
Right. Absolutely.
My great grandfather.
So grandfather, in spite of having a truncal
All
obesity
same
and
structure.
sarcopenia, he lived 92 years, and this tells us that maybe the phenotype is not responsible.
They are not having a diabetes and hypertension.
They did not have any of the metabolic syndrome
But
characteristics.
I got it.
You have it.
But
Yeah.
it is not because of the body,
Right.
because of the some
Environmental.
psychosocial environment.
Environmental. Got it. So currently the theory is the
Because their
environment.
environment and my
Right.
environment. Say,
Right.
there is a theory. Why
So
it
your
cannot-
environment may have been more stressful, let us say, and currently the theory is that there is an
I
epigenetic alteration.
I don't agree for the stress also.
Right, right,
It
okay,
is a multifactorial.
right,
I
right,
can say.
right, right,
Those who are having stress,
right, absolutely.
life,
Uh-huh.
they don't have any PPR.
Yeah, possible,
So-
yeah,
So actually, we don't know what is really definition of stress.
right,
Whether strain is stress
yeah,
or stress without any strain is stress.
right,
So, frankly saying, we can't come to the
Right,
conclusion.
right.
because it is not
So
a
I'll
super
just butt in a little bit here with a modern possible hypothesis is that they're saying that this happens, let's say to you, but not to your earlier generation because of epigenetic alteration due to environmental toxins,
Exactly
like
what-
sugar and all those things,
Exactly.
you know.
So,
So